Welcome everybody to the Vintage Sewing Machine Garage, and you are watching the first video I have made outdoors in a very long time. There is a little wind today, so you might hear some of that in the mic, but I thought I would make this video for you guys because someone is coming to see one of my machines, and it is being shown outdoors with distancing and sanitation. So here you are looking at the latest 201, which I managed to overhaul. This is the one that had the paint that was not in as pretty a condition, but she's cleaned up very well. And I'll show you. She sews beautifully as well. Anyway, this of course is the Uncomparable Singer 201, and of course you have tension, your upper tension is controlled up top. You have this wonderfully wide harp and throat space, and this is a good example of, this machine really illustrates why you should never judge a book by its cover. I have seen machines that were aesthetically gorgeous, perfect paint, all the chrome shining, and they needed overhauling. I've had machines like this, which had, it had some failure in the paint, some of the decals are worn, it was dirty and dusty, and yet this machine is in incredible running condition. So you can't always judge a book by the exterior. You got to kind of take a look, and that's why I'm willing to rescue any of these machines I think are salvageable, and this one sure was. And she sews just like any 201. I've tried it in the short and the long stitch, and of course she goes in, she has what they call reverse feed. You can actually go into reverse while operating the machine, although not necessary. And I can actually pull it up and we can do some shorter stitches. Short stitches are really good if you are going to be sewing knits. And I'd say that any rotary shuttle hook on a Singer, for sure, and this is one of those rotary hooks, they make really beautiful stitches, extraordinary stitches, I believe. And let's see what else to say about her. She has a new belt. For those of you interested in this machine, you'll see all the various you'll see an itemization of all the things that were done to overhaul the machine, and the bushings in her motor have been re-greased. All of the oiling points on the machine have been taken care of. She had new grease applied to the gears, both above and below. And that's just a brief list of what was done here. Did some furniture polish on her little bent wood cover, which I have to go with it. And she has a new electronic foot pedal. Someone is interested in the machine and said they might want the electronic versus the original. About half of my customers want new electronic pedals. The others prefer this Singer type. So you can go with either one. Both of them can function beautifully. Let's see, not much else to say. She takes, of course, the Class 66 or the drop-in bobbin. I've got the remnants of an old pillowcase here that I'm sewing on, and I can actually pull this up for you guys and I'll show you the stitches she makes. I think it's been years since I did an outdoors video. I kind of like it. You can see this sort of a melon colored thread up top. She makes really beautiful stitches. This is where I went in reverse to lock in my stitch. And on the other side, you'll see the black bobbin thread. Anyway, I appreciate all of you watching. If you have any questions about this machine, just let me know. And you can leave it there in your questions in the comments section. Take care.